Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be playing Subnautica. I literally know nothing about this game whatsoever. I literally don't know anything about it. I've never played it before. I got it for free off of the Epic Games launcher, I'm pretty sure. For my old computer, I got a new one, and the old computer couldn't play it, so I never got a chance to try it. Well, it actually could play it, but I couldn't record it, and I was like, hey, this could be a interesting game to record, because all I know is that you are crash landing in an ocean, that's it. Literally nothing else. So I guess we'll just jump right into it. I'm going to start a new game because I have not played this before. What are these? Survival, freedom, hardcore, creative. Okay, I think we're just going to do... Yeah, we're just going to do survival. Yeah, because that seems like the, like base kind of thing, Like the, just like the, how it's supposed to be played. Oh, this looks interesting. Looks like it's going to be really futuristic. Like I said, I literally know nothing about this, like, whatsoever. So this is going to be completely new to me. And hopefully my computer doesn't, like, overheat, like, just playing this and recording it. It should look pretty good, and let's just get right into it.
Attention. Hull failure imminent. All personnel abandon ship. Launch in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, whoa, whoa. Oh, God. Oh, that's not good. That's very not good. Oh. There goes the fire extinguisher. Oh, boy. Oh, don't let that hit you. Oh, watch out. Oh. Jeez. That's what I call a concussion and a half right there. Splitting your head right open. Oh, jeez. Yeah, get out of the chair. Get out of the chair. Get out of the chair. Come on. There's a huge fire. Jeez. Grab the canister. What are you doing? Grab the canister, man. That's not good. Alright, so I was correct. You do have to hit the second mouse button. Or... yeah, the other mouse button. Anyway. What's this? Emergency mode. I'll try not to talk through any, like, the cutscenes or, like, the voice lines in this.
You have suffered minor head trauma. This is considered an optimal outcome. This PDA has now rebooted in emergency mode with one directive: to keep you alive on an alien world. Please refer to the databank for detailed survival advice. Good luck.
Okay, so, oh, that just tells you, like, what she just said. Cool. What's this? Day 1. Cool. Blueprints. I don't know what that did. What's this? Cool. Okay, I gotta hit tab to close that. Alright, so far all I have is a fire extinguisher. Don't know how useful that's gonna be. I suppose we should just get on out of here. A repair tool. Whoa. What's this? I don't know what that is. I'm not gonna touch it. Medical kit fabricator. I don't want to touch any of that stuff. Alright, let's just get him out of here. I don't know what the hell's going on. Whoa, what the heck is that thing? It's like a seagull? Oh, boy. What's that over there?
The Aurora suffered orbital hull failure. Cause unknown. 0 human life signs detected.
Great, so I'm just here alone. That's wonderful. So am I like the sole survivor? Like friggin' Vault 180? Or whatever, 111? Sorry, 111. Don't get mad at me. Whoa. Wow, this game's actually beautiful. Whoa. What are you? Oh, I can pick you up.
New creature discovered.
What's this? Oh, it's another one of these things. I want to pick you up. I just got like tons of fish. Break limestone. Oh, that's limestone. Cool.
Copper is an essential component.
Copper, it
of
said
all
limestone.
powered equipment. Your probability of survival has just increased to unlikely, but plausible.
Okay, so it was basically you're gonna die just a second ago before I found that. But now I have a slight chance of actually surviving. Ooh, what's this? What do I do with you? What's this? Jeez, I'm small. Look, I can just fit right into there. What's this? Huh. So I take it this is like part of that big ship. Whatever it's called. I can't remember. I say we head back to the pod. I don't like going too far. Are there like dangerous things in this? Or because it seems pretty tame right now.
New creature discovered.
Oh my god, I'm just freaking holding them by the
Alien
neck.
life forms.
That's
They
crazy.
have unexpected applications.
This thing's like dead.
Utilizing alien
That thing's like
resources
struggling.
is a survival strategy.
Alright, so you can go down from the bottom and the top. Oh, that's cool. I was just messing around, so that's food. You can create water with these things, so let's do that. What is that called again? I don't know, I can't remember. Cook this thing. Hey, we got food now.
Small organisms while disposing of the skeletal structure, bodily fluids, and internal organs, thus rendering them safe for human consumption.
What is this? Oh, a repair tool. I'll need that. Cave sulfur, titanium, silicone rubber. How do I... what's that? Is there anything that tells me? Oh, maybe it's... yeah, it might be in resources. Oh. Creep vine. Seed cluster. Okay, let's go find that. Whatever the heck that is. So that seems like you needed... like you need a lot of rubber and stuff to create things. So let's go looking for that. What's down here? Oh boy. What are you? Whoa! Friggin' suicide bomber. Subnautica. Jeez, didn't think you'd go down to those levels. Get it? Because we're in cave? Yeah, because we're in cave. Get it? It's so funny. Cave sulfur. Eh. Whoa. What the hell's going on? Oh, he came from this thing. Okay, cool. Oh, oxygen. Completely forgot about that. What are you? Oh my god, acid? Oh yeah, pick up all them shrooms. Oh yeah, no, I'm kidding. Alright, what else? Is that limestone? Titanium. What's that? Can I pick you up? No, I can't pick you up. It's just a texture decal on the thing. Oh, bladderfish. What are you? Oh, that's a cool looking fish. Let me pick you up. I want to pick you up.
New creature discovered.
Oh, boomerang. Can I throw you? No, wait, no. Can I throw you? Did I let it go? I think I might have let it go just a second ago. I could just throw this at something. Whoa, what's it? Metal salvage. Okay, cool. Definitely take that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have this one as no cuts in the video. Because I want this to be like my actual like first time playing this. These things are huge. And then later on I'll start cutting out like different parts that I find boring. But I think this is just amazing looking around. You guys are probably screaming at me because I'm missing something, but... wow, this is just crazy. It looks so good. Looks so good. I'm not even kidding. Like, wow. That's crazy. But yeah, so I got this game for free. And I was like, hey, might as well play this because I got this computer now and I can record it while I'm playing it. Should I have cooked that? I think I should have cooked that. I don't know. A flare. I don't know if I want to... no, it doesn't seem like... you need a thing to shoot it, wouldn't you? Or to like shoot out of? Or do you just throw it? I don't know. It's fine. Wait, what's that say? Useful for distracting certain predators. So there are bad things in this game. Like that will come after you like relentlessly. What are you? What are you? Oh, you're too fast. I'm gonna pick up all this like metal salvage I can find. I think that's gonna be useful. What's this? More copper ore. Might as well take it. I need to find some of those vine things. Whatever those things are. I don't know if going down too far is a good idea. I'm just gonna grab that and get out of these. Wow. Okay. That doesn't look good. Like, that looks like something really bad's gonna happen. What the hell? Run. Run. What are those things? Oh my god. That thing doesn't look friendly. Yeah, it doesn't. Oh my god. I don't know if I should be going this way. Man, I'd feel better if I had a knife or something. Oh, what are those things, though? I feel like I have to go over there, though. Eat something. I'll eat something when I want. Oh my god. How do I get rid of those things? Because those things don't look friendly, especially how they're just like swarming down there. I don't like that. What are you? Are these things bad? Or was I just chasing one of those? I don't know. They don't seem bad. So I stay the hell away from those things. Stay away from those things. Oh my god. How am I gonna get down there? Can I can't outswim them. There's no way. God, it's only 100 meters away from the life pod, too. That's really not good. Oh, man, that's scary. I don't like that. Whoa, this looks even cooler at nighttime. Just dragging this thing along, poor thing. Jeez. Yeah, no, this isn't good, though. Especially that's like only 100 meters away. I think I'm safe in here. Oh, I shouldn't have done that, should I? There we go. I'm gonna be smart about this. Just because an option's there doesn't mean click on it, Parker. God's sakes. Let's do some more water. I think food's what you really have to worry about, though, in this. At least that's what it looks like. Basic material. Titanium. Let's do some of that, I guess. What else is there? Can I make? Glass. Let's do some of that, I guess. From quartz, okay. Oh no, what did I just make? Just told myself not to do that. Yet I do it. Oh man. Oh, it's only 4 titanium. That's nothing. Floating air pump. What? All right. I don't know what the heck's going on. Let's. Yeah, we need a repair tool. Ooh, that's bad. Radio offline. Distress signal broadcast failed. Hull integrity. Okay, that's good. Flotation devices deployed. Ooh, okay, so this thing's pretty roughed up, but like it's doing decent right now. How do I get my inventory again? Oh, okay, cool. Whoa, I have a lot of stuff. Sign quick slot. Okay, that's interesting. Just eat that, I guess. And that. There we go. That seemed to. Oh man, it's really nighttime. I don't like it. What if I should? Maybe they're blinded by the darkness. It's not. Well, it's not that it's too dark. Honestly, that was a stupid thing to say. It's really not that dark at all. Let's give it a shot, though. I mean, it's worth trying. Maybe. Sorta. Kinda. Maybe not. Oh boy. This is getting kind of freaky. What the heck? That's really like deep water. I don't want to go near that right now. Especially when you see those things. Boomerang fish. More More metal salvage. Man, I need some rubber. I'm not gonna get very far without the rubber. Whoa, what are those things? I'm gonna stay away from those. How close am I to my pod?
Detecting increased local radiation levels.
Oh, is that from the...
Is consistent with
Yep.
damage to the Aurora's drive core sustained during planet fall.
Great, so it's all gonna be irradiated soon. It's just awesome. You gonna hurt me? My pod's right over there. I can... Ah, it's pretty far. I might as well just try it. Are you gonna hurt me? Please don't hurt me. Oh, God. What? Whoa. Whoa, what the heck? So just to, like... I don't know. I'm gonna consider those things okay to be around right now. Whoa, what's that? Right where my cursor is. Is that just a floating rock or something? Nope, that is a big animal. I don't like that. Let's stay away from there. So those things are pretty non-aggressive. Whoa, what are these guys? What the heck? That's crazy. No, what are these things? I smack you? Oh, cool, I can move the rock. Who would have known? Just gonna leave them to do what they're doing. Oh, you only got a certain amount of fuel, but you can like propel yourself upwards. That's kind of neat. Suppose we should go back over here and give it a shot. Are these those creeper vine things? Creeper. Aw, man. Sorry, I had to. Alright, grab trap. What the heck? What's that? How do I access that? I'm kind of mad. I have no clue how to... Oh, there's some nasties around. There are definitely some nasties around. What are these? Okay, I'm really in bad territory right now. Oh, man.
New blueprint acquired.
Sorry, but I needed that. I don't know if that was a good idea. I seem to have gotten away without dying though, so let's call that lucky. It's just I need that creeper vine or whatever it is. Because I'd be in big trouble if I didn't have that. So I'm thinking I'm gonna go back and make the rubber and I'll call the episode there, I'm pretty sure. I don't know how much more I really want to try to accomplish in this right now. Definitely gonna go back to it. Hopefully this next time next time I'm gonna have cuts. I just wanted to get my like actual reaction caught on this. 'Cause this is a really cool game. I definitely recommend trying it out just from like what I've seen so far. Seems like there's tons of cool stuff you can do, and I don't even know if I scratched the surface. I'm not gonna look up any of the stuff because like obviously I don't want to look up the stuff so it like doesn't, you know, ruin the whole experience. But yeah, I think it's gonna be cool. I think it's gonna be a great game. Okay, hold on. Let's just see what I can make. Tools. Okay. So a survival knife is silicone rubber. Okay. Repair tool. Silicone rubber. I need that. Just leave that for now, I guess. Repair tool. Definitely want that. Not even a doubt in my mind. Aha! Repairing the friggin' pod. That's awesome.
Lifeboat secondary systems online. Running full environment diagnostic and outputting results to databank.
Good. What does this do? Repair the... should we repair that, though? What else is there to repair? So we just repair this.
This is a warning. Distress signal received. Rescue operation will be dispatched to your location in 9 hours. Continue to monitor for emergency transmissions from other life pods.
Whoa, what's this? Filtered water. A whole bunch of water and stuff and like flares. That's cool. Okay. You just throw that in there. Let's keep let's keep that in there. Sorry, I didn't mean to do that. Alright, what else? I guess we make the knife. That's probably a very important thing to have, and I want to have something self-defense.
Weapons were removed from standard survival blueprints following the massacre on Abraxas Prime. The knife remains the only exception.
Oh. Great, so I'm like left out here with like no really true way of defending myself. Okay, you can really swing this thing around, so that should be some good defense. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. I really like this game so far. That's going to be a huge problem, though. That's going to be a huge problem, and I don't like it. But, yeah, I'm having a great time playing this. Hopefully, if you enjoyed this, leave a like. Yeah. Anyway, have a good rest of the day, night, wherever the hell you are. Yeah. Bye, guys.